Hello, today we will guide you through how to embed Facebook feed plugin on Squarespace. In this walkthrough, we'll use Elf Site to create a Facebook feed widget and then place it on a page in your Squarespace site. I'll keep things clear and simple and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your Elf Site dashboard and go to My Apps. This is where all of your widgets live. To create a new one, click New Apps. New Apps. In the app catalog, use the search bar and type Facebook feed. When you see Facebook feed in the results, select it. You'll be taken to a template preview. Click Continue with this template to spin up a ready-to-use widget. You can always fine-tune design and layout later, so don't worry about perfection right now. Next, in the widget editor, click Publish. This action generates the installation code you'll need for Squarespace. When the Publish screen appears, click Copy Code. This copies the embed snippet to your clipboard. Keep this browser tab open in case you want to come back and adjust settings after you embed the widget. Now switch to your Squarespace dashboard. From the main menu, choose Website, then Open Pages. Pick the page where you want the feed to appear. Using a sample or test page is a great way to preview the layout before placing it on a live page. Click Edit to open the page editor. On the page, click Add Block where you want the feed to appear. From the block options, choose Embed. In the Embed panel, select the code snippet option so you can paste custom code rather than a simple URL. You may see a field labeled Embed Data. That's exactly where the code goes. Click into that field and paste the code you copied from Elf Site. After pasting, Squarespace may show a placeholder instead of a full live preview in the editor. That's normal for script-based embeds. The feed will display properly when you view the page on the front end. If the block looks too wide or narrow, you can drag it within the section or adjust the section's layout to give the feed more room. If you later change the widget style or filters in Elf Site, the updates will flow through automatically without needing to replace the code. That's it. Your Facebook feed is now embedded on your Squarespace page using Elf Site. You can reuse the same process on other pages and customize the widget design in Elf Site anytime to match your site's branding.